Okay, so now we have another article that is related to our GS paper 3, that is economic development. Here, this article relates to farmer income diversification, means how we can diversify income of farmers. So let's go to the key highlights of such points, like decreased farm incomes and uncertain climatic conditions have driven people away from their farmlands over the past few decades. So, what happens in past few decades? That the farm income has been decreased, and also uncertain climatic conditions are prevailing. So, what people are doing in that way? People are away from their farmland over the past few decades. So now farmer households that likely to work outside farms where family members have easy access to credit, also good social capital from participating in cooperatives, and more technical educated. So basically farming household wants to live in that place where they have access to credit, also good social capital from participating in cooperative, and more technical educated. Now access to capital. Now getting loan is important as it makes it easier to start a new businesses. Many small farmers find it difficult to get loans as they have few assets to collateral purposes. They have very few assets, we know. So it's very difficult for a farmer to get loan from bank. So what they do is they go to a easy money lenders, and money lenders will charge them higher rate of interest. So now more credit solves liquidity problem and increase the share of non-farm income in total income and helps in diversification. So what they wants to say here is getting loan is important as it makes it easier to start new business. Many small farmers find it difficult to get loans also because they don't have any collateral security for that purpose, and more credit solves liquidity problem and increase the share of the non-farming income. If they have a more amount, so they could invest in some other thing and they could generate income from that field also, so they don't have to depend on the only income which is related to the farm. So now social capital also has an impact on a household's income diversification, means it also has an impact of social income. Social capital also has an impact on a household's income diversification. Now higher the shares of the members of a household registered in the associations, the higher the shares of the non-farm income in the total income. So what they want to say here is that if the person has a higher income rate, so accordingly vice versa they have a higher non agriculture income, also non farm income they basically have. So from the farm income only they are not getting such kind of amount, they will get such amount after they are getting such amount from investing in other fields also. So active participation in cooperatives helps reducing financial constraints and improves the entrepreneurial skills of households members, and it gives them better bargaining power also in the market and more information about non-farm employment opportunities. So they have a better bargaining power and also more information about non-farm employment opportunities. Now skills, basically running one's own business or taking up non-farm jobs requires skills. So if they really wants to do any other field, any other work which is not related to their farm, so they that thing requires skill. So the household with technical skilled members have much higher non-farm incomes than others. So if there any household which have the technical skills members, then the definitely income of such family is much higher than any other. So, what is the way forward in this case? Basically, to help managerial farmers access credit and diversify income, the regional rural banks can be encouraged to expand and open new branches. So, is this the way forward, that we to need to help to the marginal farmers also to give them access credit and diversify income, and also the RRB can be encouraged to expand and open new branches, so that like it helps people to get access to that branch and people will get we get more benefited from such type of activity.